Okay, so I was up there, and this is kind of interesting. This is the same street that I started at, and you can see the Macau Tower right there. It's pretty cool. I didn't realize you could see it from the street angle. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. The camera's not really that clear. Hua de Hong Chao. And I'm just walking along the street. This is kind of another main street. And thought I'd kind of film everything around here. It's kind of interesting because there's like a big thing way up there. I don't know if that was the architectural design at that time. But you can see all the tall buildings pretty much all around me. There. So we're just kind of viewing the street a little bit. We're gonna walk down that way, and there's have some videos if you want to search for them. Venus Disco nightclub. Kind of speculate a little bit about that place. It's been long closed for quite a while. But what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna be walking down these streets. Unfortunately, my bus just went by. I can see it right now. So that means I have a while to wait for another bus. So it looks like I might be filming in this area for a little bit. So let's walk across and see what we can see around here. I might have to... Basically a main road. It's called, I think this is called Yat Sen, which is named after a pretty famous communist part of China. Kind of named. There's a university named after him in Guangzhou. And since we're here, we'll just kind of walk by what's here. Oh, that looks really good right there. I just had lunch, but we have a pretty good lunch menu here. Pork chop bun, which is pretty famous in Macau. Sidetracked, the crazy couch. So, okay. I'm gonna get up on top of that, and I'll turn on the camera again. Okay, so we're up on the flower part. And we're kind of overlooking the same street we were just on. I have this like zoom camera so I can zoom in on things. This is a little median in the middle. Yeah, I'm not sure what I think about the zoom. I think it makes the camera very not so stable, so it kind of shakes more. So I think I prefer the GoPro, but if you've been watching my channel, then you know that I've had a lot of my GoPro overheats all the time, so I can't actually. It's kind of beautiful with the flowers like that, right? So we're gonna zoom all the way down the street. There we go. There we go. But my zoom camera, this is my zoom camera, which is better for photos really. And then the other one's good for walking, the GoPro. But the GoPro always overheats on me nowadays, so I can't really use it very well. But anyways, turn off the camera and I'll be right back with it in a minute. Okay, so I was up there, and this is kind of interesting. This is the same street that I started at, and you can see the Macau Tower right there. It's pretty cool. I didn't realize you could see it from the street angle. There's the bus. And then you also have this street. It's going to capture Sue's kitchen is all over Macau. I don't know where it comes from originally, but you can see it all over the place. And we're going to conclude. So this is basically another segment of Macau. I have filmed this one a little bit in another video as well. It's kind of an odd building. It's kind of isolated yellow one. We're kind of removed from everything. And we'll conclude that. Bank of China. Biggest bank in Macau. It's everywhere. But this Bank of China doesn't work in China. You have to get a different account in China and a different account in Hong Kong, even though they have the same name, Bank of China. All right. Let's film one last thing before I leave. This area is this is kind of like an old makeshift place. You can probably see with the door, but this kind of an older style place. And it's interesting because there's they kind of do a lot of construction over there. So if you walk over there a little bit, you'll see like this right here. There's probably some construction. Actually, you can see a pink rain in the distance. You can see that. There's the door. So, okay. So just for some references points, this is the Bank of China, is right here in that main street. So we'll conclude right there.